Hi all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video, we will study custom expression settings of exist transformation in mapping data flow activity in ADF. So this is part 2 of the first video, which was purely based on exist transformation, where we have not covered the custom expression. Okay, so in this video, which is part 2, here we will cover custom expression settings of the exist transformation. So for this purpose, let's first go to the dataset which I used in the first video, where the basic idea of the exist transformation is given. So I would recommend you to watch that video first so that you'll understand this video in a better way. So here I'm using the same dataset where the left and the right streams are present, and we have to get the output data set. Okay, as we got it previously just on the basis of comparing the two columns which are common in both the left and the right stream, and it states that it will take all the rows from the left stream that either exist or don't exist in the right stream, and it behaves the same as a SQL where exists and where not exists, which I've already covered in the Azure SQL database example 2. So now the need arises to apply some custom logic. Okay, so in this case you can see that the left stream is having 3 columns, and there is a column called sports played. Okay, so different sports are here: cricket, tennis, badminton, etc. So you can see the sports are ending with ER. So we are interested to get only those sports player details for which the sports played column is ending with ER. Ending with ER means cricketer. Here the last two alphabets are ER. Then for runner it is ER, for swimmer it is ER. Okay, so this is just a example. Okay, so here the custom logic we will build here. This is the section for the custom expression. So the custom logic is where the sports played from the left stream column, it ends with ER. So here you can see if we join the two and we get the data, it will be like the sports played here will be this 17 player ID, then 35, 77, which will give the exist output. And if we are interested to not get those players who are whose sports played is ending with ER, means all those non-ER players, then we get the not exist output. So how we'll implement this custom expression in the exist transformation that we are going to study. So let's go back to the pipeline and the data flow. So this was the pipeline and this was the data flow. So here the left stream is players info, players country is the right stream, and then when we go to the exist transformation, here in the exist settings we know that we select the left and the right stream, exist type. Okay, so first we'll explore the exist. Okay, then here are the conditions. So in the first video we gave the condition of just taking the left stream player ID column and the right stream player number. Okay, but this time in this short video we'll cover the custom expression. So if you click over here, what happens is that it will enable the exist conditions in the form of expression builder. Okay, so we'll go to the expression builder here. Let's open the expression builder, and the equate logic is the same. Only thing we want to add for the sports played column. So what happens is that we'll go with the and. This is and, click on and then we'll take the like clause. Similarly we have in SQL the like. Here also we'll use like. So like, click on enter, and then it will enable you how you have to write the expression here in like. So here the string will be our sports played column. Okay, and the pattern matching will be in such a way that it should end with ER. So it will be within single quotes wildcard character ER. Okay, so this will take all those values from the sports played column which are ending with er. Okay, so we'll click on save and finish, and the exist conditions, it will show as a custom expression. So we are equating and we are saying that the sports played should be er. Okay, so here you can see at the top it is prompting us, if you plan on using non-equality expressions or comparisons in your custom expression, you should utilize the fixed broadcast setting. Since our data size is not big, we are not going to utilize this, else we can utilize this option, the setting option, which is present in the optimize tab. We can go with the fixed. So now this is done. We are first doing it for the exist type. Exists. Since the data flow debug option is already enabled, we can refresh and see the data for the exist expression which we have written in the custom logic. So here you can see the details came from the left stream. As we know, in the exist it will come from the left stream for all those players detail which are ending with er. We can load it into the target. Okay, so we can write it exist players ends with er, and then we can publish the changes and we can execute the debug run. So here the debug run is in progress. Let's wait for its completion. So it succeeded. Next we'll go back here in the exist settings and we'll make it as does not exist, and then we'll go to the data preview again and click on refresh. So here are the player details whose sports played column is not ending with er. So we got this. Now we'll load this again into the target table. This time we'll name it as not exist players ends with er. Not. Okay, so we'll publish. We'll go to the pipeline. We'll go with the debug run. So the debug run is in progress. So it succeeded. Let's go to the output location. So the output location defined over here is an output folder. So let's go to the storage location, output folder, and we'll see for the exist players which ends with er as the first file. Okay, we'll go to the edit, and then here we can see all the players ending with er. Preview it. Next we'll go to the not exist players ending with er. Let's click on edit, and here we can see all those which are in the not exist. We can see all those which are not ending with er. So this is how we can write the custom expression in the exist transformation. This is just a small example. We can write more complex expressions using the custom expression setting in the exist transformation. So I hope you have understood the usage of custom expression using this simple data set. I've tried to explain it. If you have any questions, queries, to write in comments, or you could mail me at letuststudycloud@gmail.com, mentioned in the channel description. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning. Bye.